A client uses Dynamics 365 Sales along with Power BI datasets and dataflows. The sales environment utilizes security roles to restrict data export and visibility. You are tasked with ensuring that data access restrictions in Power BI remain consistent with the security configurations applied in Dynamics 365 Sales to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information. Select two recommended actions to achieve this design.
Okay, here's the question. Configure each information exporter's organizational policies so that Information Exporter is only able to export data from Dynamics 365 Sales role to prohibit all data exports to Excel. Option A. Apply Microsoft Dataverse security settings prior to the creation of Power BI reports. Option B. Configure the Dynamics 365 Sales role to prohibit all data exports to Excel. Option C. Restrict roles and disable Excel export capabilities across both Dynamics 365 Sales and Power BI platforms. Option D. Restrict Power BI dashboard access to only those users explicitly authorized to view the data.
This scenario focuses on maintaining data governance when syncing records between two platforms. The challenge is ensuring that the security model defined in your CRM persists when that data is visualized in an analytical tool. Think about how identity and row-level permissions can be enforced when moving data across integrated systems to maintain a consistent security posture.
In my view, the correct answers are option A and option D. To ensure that data access restrictions in Power BI align with Dynamics 365 Sales, you must leverage the integration between Dataverse security roles and Power BI. Enabling Dataverse security roles within Power BI allows the report to automatically respect the row-level security and access permissions defined for users in the source system. Furthermore, sharing the report or dashboard exclusively with users authorized to view the underlying information provides the necessary governance boundary. This fulfills the requirement of restricting visibility to authorized personnel.
Options B and C are incorrect because while export restrictions are a valid security measure for preventing data exfiltration, they do not inherently restrict access to specific sensitive data rows or records within the reports themselves. When studying for this exam, remember that managing row-level access via the native source security model is almost always preferred over broad export bans when the primary objective is specific record visibility.